Using slang like a pro. Navigate English like a native. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we delve deeper into the fascinating world of English. Today, we're discussing a fun, yet important topic: slang expressions. We'll learn not only about what they are, but how to use them in the right context to sound more like a native speaker. Let's dive right in. First, let's start by understanding what slang is. Slang is informal language, often specific to a certain group or culture. It's a dynamic part of the English language, frequently evolving and changing over time. Now, remember, while it's fun to use, it's not always appropriate in every situation. Let's now explore some common slang expressions you might encounter in English conversations. 1. Chill out. This means to relax or calm down. 2. Hang out. This means to spend time with someone, casually. 3. What's up? This is a casual way of saying, "How are you?" or "What are you doing?" But learning slang words is only half the battle. The real trick lies in using them in the right context. Here are examples to show you how. 1. Chill out. If a friend is getting too anxious or upset about something, you can say, "Hey, chill out. It's not as bad as you think." 2. Hang out. If you want to spend some time with a friend, you could say, "Do you want to hang out this weekend?" 3. What's up? When you meet a friend, instead of the usual, "Hello. How are you?" you could say, "Hey, what's up?" This brings us to an important aspect of slang: knowing when to use it. Slang is great in informal settings, like when you're chatting with friends. But in a formal setting, such as in a business meeting or an academic paper, it's better to stick with standard English. So, there you have it, folks. We've now explored the colorful world of slang, understood what it is, learned some common expressions, and learned how to use them appropriately in context. Remember, understanding and using slang can make your English sound more natural and conversational. But always be mindful of when and where you use it. We hope you found this lesson helpful. Stay tuned for more interesting lessons on English language learning. Until next time, keep practicing and take care.